Come on, Jazz! There you go, girl.
Pick it up.
Oh my God. Come on, Mama!
Pick it up, Jazz. Pick it up. Up the head. Inside, Jazz. There you go.
This weekend is the girls' state championship.
On Sunday?
It's in Lemoore.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
So which one's going to be tomorrow?
Tomorrow, that's just Coach B's tournament.
Okay, at Central.
But for all girls high school, hopefully she's still wrestling. She's doing that.
I don't know. I don't want her to wrestle. The boys are going to get bigger and she's going to... I know, but still. I know she is. I know.
How you going?
Come on, Princess!
Go, Desiree. Get a breath.
Oh my God. Alright. Come on, baby girl!
Desiree. Escape and then two. Escape. Get you one. Get you one. Get you one.
Nice. Push the wrestle.
There you go. Get the control of the legs. Find him out. Drive it. Drive it. You have to drive it with your feet. You have to drive it with your feet. Where's the cradle? Where's the cradle?
Losing her breath.
Where's the cradle? Pull it over. Pull it over.
Come on, Jazz. There you go. There you go. Come on, Jazz. Hold it. Woo!
You need to side.
That's a distance move right there.
Head to the side. Head to the side. Head to the capital.
Come on, Jazz.